How can we use Uber support services? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to Uber accounts and you want to access the help and support, it is quite simple. First of all, make sure you have the latest version downloaded of the application. Once that is done, launch the application and then you will land to its homepage. Now click on accounts or profile from the bottom right and then tap on the help tab. It will take you to another page from where you can select from various tabs. Tap on any of which you're having the trouble with, and then it will have different types of subtopics. Tap on it as well and select the specific request or problem. Now scroll down and you have this form. You have to fill in the issue and screenshot of the error and click on submit. Now within 2 to 3 business days you will get optimized as well as personalized user service. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.